Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check serial number of your Redmi Buds 3 Lite. So first of all we have to open this case, remove both earbuds, and the serial number will appear in this place. I'm going to zoom in to show you how it looks inside. Okay, looks like we lose some focus, but I hope that you can see the serial number right now. It appears in this place. It's hard to show you clearly, but it appears in the upper right corner of this plastic cover in this place. I hope that right now you can see this serial number. I'm gonna try to zoom in one more time, but we are losing focus. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.